welcome back to Ants TV channel. Last time we had a classic head-to-head showdown between Gibson Les Paul and the Fender Telecaster. It was an awesome comparison and a great tone for great guitars. Today we are back at it with another showdown between the Gibson Les Paul Standard and the Fender Stratocaster Player Series. And this time we're playing the same solo on both guitars, so you can really hear how each one handles it. But before we start, don't forget to smash that like button, click subscribe, and ring that bell for future videos. Let's go! Alright, there you have it. Gibson Les Paul Standard and Fender Strat Player Series. Same solo, two-way different vibes. Let me know in the comment section below. Team Les Paul, Team Strat. I love seeing what you guys think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell button for the future videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye!